My dear students of class 9 and 10, you all are welcome from online virtual classes Chatpur Sadar, Chatpur. My name is Mr. Mujibur Rahman, English teacher Lalhu Baludum High School, Chatpur Sadar, Chatpur. My dear students, hope you all are well. I am also the same. My dear students, I would like to discuss today about narration. I would like to change direct narration to indirect narration. My dear students, look at the board. I read out the direct narration. The teacher of class 10 said to the students, "Do you like to go to on a study tour?" "Yes," said all the students to their class teacher. Then he said, "Take permission from your parents." One of the students said, "Where will we go, sir?" "It will be decided after a discussion," said the teacher. My dear students, this is direct narration. Before going to change direct narration to indirect narration, I would like to discuss pre-discussion. Dear student, here there are many sentences and tenses. Here there is interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and future tense. Dear student, we know if the reported speech is interrogative sentence, to change direct narration to indirect narration, we can change reporting verb. We can write asked or inquired instead of said. And we can use if বা whether instead of comma and inverted comma if the sentence is started by auxiliary verb. If the sentence is started by WH word, we cannot use if বা whether instead of comma and inverted comma. There we can use WH word instead of comma and inverted comma. My dear students, if the reported speech is imperative sentence, we can use order, request, so on instead of said, and we can use to instead of comma and inverted comma. My dear students, here there is a answer with yes. If anybody answer any questions with yes or no, here we can write or use answer or reply in the affirmative, or we can write answer or reply in the negative. This is pre-discussion. My dear students, now we shall change direct narration to indirect narration. I would like to discuss it partly so that you can understand easily. My dear students, look at the board. The class teacher of class 10 said to the students, do you like to go on a study tour? Here, reported speech is interrogative sentence and it starts by auxiliary verb. As the reported speech is interrogative sentence, we can write the class teacher of class 10 asked the student. Look at the board, my dear students. The class teacher asked the students. My dear students, here we can use if as the interrogative sentence is start with auxiliary verb. My dear students, to change direct narration to indirect narration, if the reported speech is interrogative sentence, to change it direct narration to indirect narration, it would be assertive sentence. So, we can use subject after if, my dear students. Look at the board. The subject of the reported speech is second person you. So to change direct narration to indirect narration, it follow the object of the reporting verb. So after if, we can use the object of the reporting verb. Here object of the reporting verb is students, so we can write its pronoun they. My dear students, here the sentence is present tense, it would be past tense, so we can write they like. To go on a study tour. My dear students, this is indirect narration. Next, yes, said all the students to their class teacher. My dear students, here there is the answer by yes. So we can write answer of reply or replied in the affirmative. Here reporting verb is all the students. So we can write all the students Answer or replied. Answered in the affirmative. My dear students, this is indirect narration. Next, then he said, take permission from your parents. Dear students, here the reported speech is imperative sentence and it means the order. So we can write, then he ordered. Then he ordered them or the students. We can write here them. My dear students, here as this is imperative sentence, we have to use to instead of comma and inverted comma. So we can write to. Next verb, take permission. Take permission from. My dear students, look at the board here. There is object used. It second person, it follow the object of the reporting verb. Here the object of the reporting verb is students. So we can write their parents. We can write their parents. Next, my dear students, one of the students said, where will we go, sir? My dear students, here the reported speech is interrogative sentence and it starts by WH word. So we can write, my dear students, one of the students said, where will you go, sir? Here there is addressing as his teacher. So we can write respectfully. One of the students respectfully asked him, where they would go. My dear students, next it will be decided after a discussion, said the teacher. We can write the teacher said. Here we can use that conjunction instead of comma and inverted comma. After that we can use subject, my dear students. If the subject of the reported speech is third person, to change direct narration to indirect narration, the subject would not be changed. So we can write it would be decided after a discussion. My dear students, this is change direct narration to indirect narration. I hope you have understood. Homework. Practice more and more. At your house. My dear students, if you practice more and more at your house, I hope you will be able to change direct narration to indirect narration easily. Here is the end of the lesson. Good wishes to you and goodbye. Thank you all.